Model 69 plate Ford Transit Connect 200 Limited 1.5 TDCi non-runner engine body, white, panel van mileage, 107,089 engine, 1,499 cc 1.5 TDCi 120 PSS 6H transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner, will need a replacement engine, crankshaft has snapped. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, start-stop, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, air con, reversing camera EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £11,395. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401